I'm gonna do this cool experiment thing. So what you'll need is shaving cream, some food coloring, and I'll be right back to get some water. This might be enough water. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, then you need the shaving cream. First, the shaving cream. Make little clouds. Okay. Yeah. We are going to be making rainbows. No, rainbow rings. Get your colors out. Let's go. Okay, blue. Let's get a close. Can't see this. Let's move back. That's cool. Now we're gonna use red. Oh my favorite. Oh, that's so cool. Let's turn it this side where it's not much. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, dude. Let's just add some at the top. Oh, I got some. It's still really cool. We are now going to use green. So let's turn it like right here would be good to use the green. Come on, go green. Go green. Go green for Earth Day. Whee. Okay, that's mixing with another color. Oh, if I spit it kind of, that's cool. The green didn't really want to come out. Oh, it's shy today. Anyways, let's do yellow. We are doing my favorite color. Just to be noticed that it's my favorite color. So let's find a good spot. Like right. I saved the best color for last. Whoa. Yellow didn't really come out. Let's try to do it in that. Let's try to do it in that tiny big spot right there. Come on, yellow. Woo! Whoa, that was cool. Yellow came out like a bomb. That's cool. Do you want to see what happened? This is what happened. It turned green. Because green came out. Well, I didn't know. The green came out more. But it's cool. Now I'm going to grab a spoon and see what happens when I mix it. Okay, so I got a spoon. And we're going to mix it. Kind of looks like whipped cream. Oh, I touched it. Oh, gosh. It doesn't want to come out. It's making a rainbowish color without purple. Green mush is served for tonight's dessert. Look at the top though, it's so pretty. Except they'll all turn green, so...